How to make a private server in Roblox. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to make a private server in Roblox. The very first step is to open or launch the Roblox app on your mobile device, just like you can see here. Keep in mind that this process can be done both on the app and on the Roblox website, so if you prefer using a browser, the steps will remain the same. Once the app opens and you land on the homepage, go ahead and scroll through the list of games or search for the particular game that you want to create a private server for. After you find the game, tap on it to open the game page. On the game page, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you reach the Options section. Among the available options, make sure you tap on the one named Servers. Give it a few seconds to load, and once the page loads fully, you will see more options related to servers. From these options, tap the one named Create Private Server. This is the feature that allows you to make your own server where only you and the people you invite can join. It is important to note that creating a private server is not free. Roblox charges a fee for setting up and maintaining private servers, so be prepared to make the payment. The exact cost may vary depending on the game, but once you confirm and make the payment, the server will be created successfully and you will have your own private space to play with friends. From there, you can also customize server settings, such as the name of the server and who is allowed to join. The process is really simple and straightforward as long as you follow the steps carefully. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to make a private server in Roblox.